Hello, profiteers. Finally, one script called GMM Fodler, which has been talk of the town in the last few quarters. And if you have been watching our channel, we gave a perspective on this script, and finally, it moves up beyond its benchmark. The level that it was struggling at was 3,700 per share after some of the OFS thing had happened, and the company had the credibility had taken a hit. But if you remember, we had stuck to our guts that this will give you returns. I'm still telling you, for the people who are stuck with this company, don't sell, never sell this company in losses. You stick with them. This company will give you good returns even in the near term, at least a year, or even in the short term, 3 years to 5 years, and definitely in the long term, because business is stable market है, glass line vessels का business है, everything is working for them. So मैनेजमेंट कमेंट्री पॉजिटिव आई, रिजल्ट्स अच्छे आए, आपने देखा क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स के बाद द स्टॉक फ्लू. सो GMM Fodler टुडे 15% अप मूव, ग्रेट इंट्रा डे. Second, L&T Finance, they have had a very successful rights issue. It was oversubscribed by a tiny bit, and they've raised some fresh money. So even that also closed at a very significant level of 102. If L&T Finance sustains this level for the next 4-5 closings, then targets जो L&T Finance के हैं वो काफ़ी ऊपर के हैं. We have already covered this script in detail also. I mean, at least you can expect, with a standard disclaimer, that you should consult your financial advisor before making any move. But you can expect targets of around 109 or 114 in the near term, because business is looking upwards. उनके जो current short term targets है वो meet हो रहे हैं in the company, and overall the sentiment looks very positive for these NBFCs, the lower rung NBFCs, as well as the market leaders. Bajaj Finance का तो आप देख ही रहे हो, dream run. And the third update I wanted to give you was on ITC. ITC announced a dividend, an interim dividend of 5 rupees per share, and uska date hai, record date I think is 21st or 23rd February. You can check the exact date. But the point is, again, it's giving the investors a chance to get in. With ITC, all I want to say, it's at 219 right now, and you will see that the moment the dividend date comes closer, stock will register an up move again, because it's being re-rated in the FMCG pack. So it can register an up move, at least in the short term. Plus, ITC's management is very clear that they want to demerge the business of FMCG, hotels and cigarettes separate, so that the true value of the brand can be unlocked in the FMCG space, which has not yet been able to come out of the closet. So ITC is the third good news. Although it has taken profit booking and it has taken a hit for the short term, I think for the long term, you as an investor, आपको देखना चाहिए कि आपकी पोजीशन किस लेवल पे है. तो ये तीन स्क्रिप्ट्स पे नज़र रखिए. बी कॉशियस विद GMM Fodler, डोंट मेक अ फ्रेश पोजीशन. अगर आप हमारा चैनल फॉलो करते हैं, वी हैव अ स्टैंडर्ड डिस्क्लेमर इन द वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शंस, बट GMM Fodler फ्रेश पोजीशन के लिए रिकमेंडेड नहीं है. आई स्पेसिफाई दैट जो लोग 3,600 900 में अटके हुए थे, दिस इज़ अ चांस फॉर देम टू वेट एंड सी द प्रॉफिट और बुक देयर प्रॉफिट्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर पर्सनल रिस्क इक्वेशन. हालांकि ये कंपनी और भी हमें लगता है ग्रो कर सकती है. इफ़ यू कैन हैव होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी है तो आप होल्ड कीजिए, एंड लुक आउट फॉर L&T Finance and ITC ऑल्सो. These were some of the updates that I had for you, and I hope we'll get more such critical insights, and we'll keep sharing them as a part of our channel regularly with all our profiteers. So keep profiting, guys, and I'll keep meeting you regularly. Keep putting your comments, because they help us realize what's the pulse, what are your queries that you have. Your comments will really help us refine our future videos. So take care and have a nice day.